Christmas memories.
Alright, so I'm not done getting ready. I still need to put on mascara, but I wanted to show you guys what is inside the little one-on-one goodie bag. It's basically just some of my favorites. I have the Wet n Wild contour palette. I have the baggie that I usually give all of my clients. I have this Sonia Kashuk 5-piece brush set. I have a little notebook just to write notes in. A pretty self-explanatory eyeshadow palette. It's from LA Colors. It's all drugstore, but it literally tells you on there like what each shadow is used for. A pen and a Nivea little tin moisturizer just so that she can moisturize beforehand. And that is pretty much it, you guys. Eventually I do want to create something that is over the top, like something that, you know, is really well, like, you know what I mean. But for right now, I think this is, for my very first one, I think this is a very good little like goodie bag to give. So this is it. I'm waiting for her to get here, so we'll see you guys soon. Hi, come on in.
Hi, how are you? You ready for your lesson?
Yes.
Alright.
Okay, I'm gonna have you sit right here because I want you to do it. Okay, so this is your little bag. What are your, like, what are you used to, or what do you usually?
Nothing.
Nothing
Like,
at all.
I know nothing.
Okay.
Nothing. That's the answer. Nothing.
Okay guys, so I stole one of Bree's candies, but we are done for the day. I know that I only showed you guys a little like snippet of what happened at today's one-on-one, and I was so excited, but it was such like a fun experience, I want to say, for the both of us, because that was my very first like one-on-one session that I've ever done, and I feel like she learned the basics of how to apply makeup, and it was really well. The ambient was good, being that we were practically strangers with each other. It was really well. I loved it. I definitely would want to do it again. It took us about 2 hours. I feel like a good time would be like a 3-hour mark, just because there's so much to cover and I tend to talk a lot. But I am going to go pick up something that my cousin had shipped over here for Grecia. It's actually a present. I'm gonna have to go pick that up at Ace, and then I have to go pick up ice cream from Dairy Queen because Bert wants a chocolate shake, and he's sick at home. He does have a very bad ear infection, so he's on antibiotics and stuff at home. He stayed home with Grecia. He didn't end up coming to the studio, so I'm gonna take them both some ice cream, and then I guess we'll just see what we do for the rest of the evening. This was pretty much the highlight of my day, and I didn't record a lot of it. That was bigger than expected. I didn't think it was gonna be that big of a box. But let's go get the ice cream now. Hi, can I have a banana split?
Banana split?
Yes, a strawberry sundae.
A strawberry sundae?
Yes.
What size? Small, medium, or large?
Small.
Small?
Yes.
¿Qué más, pa?
Medium chocolate shake.
What size?
Medium.
Medium?
Yes.
¿Qué más, pa?
And then can I have a dilly bar, please?
¿Quiere un jelly bar?
Yes.
¿Qué más, pa?
Es todo.
¿Va a ser un banana split, un small strawberry sundae, un medium chocolate shake y un jelly bar?
Yes.
¿Sí?
Yes.
10.57 más.
Thank you.
La ventana, gracias. ¿Ya le dieron el jelly bar?
Yes. Thank you.
ma'am. Have a good day.
You too. Okay, it is 5:48. We ate our ice cream. We did more than that, but I forgot to vlog. We moved the chicken's coop because it's gonna get freezing again.
We covered it.
We moved the chicken coop. We covered it from the north side, like where the wind hits you. And then we moved Petunia to the side of the house so that it won't, because it's supposed to be like in the 20s, and you guys know that that's like freezing for us. I didn't tell you guys, but Peter left the house yesterday.
It's still open.
Pinche marrano malagradecido. He left the house, he opened the gate, and he got out. He escaped, so we're never gonna see Peter again. And yeah, we're gonna go into town to get some more propane in case we do lose power, because 2 years ago we lost power for about a week, and
Not for about for a week.
for a whole week we didn't have power or water. So we are trying to prep a little bit. We're gonna go get propane. Your mom's gonna bring some more tomorrow. And yeah, Grecia didn't go to school today, but you guys heard me this morning that I was gonna go drop off the gift, and her teacher sent home one gift, so she's gonna open it up.
You talk to the teacher?
Just this
It
morning.
has a little starting, if you guys can read that. I can only read the little candy cane. Let me read it to you all. To Grecia from Miss Caballero. Miss Caballero, heart.
We got to Tractor Supply. Crazy, she's all bundled up, and I'm wearing shorts. Oh well. I'm gonna get crazy looks, I know it. Get it, girl. $9.99. Where's the $11.99 for the bulbs?
No, it's not expensive.
Oh, how much are the lights?
No idea.
We have to get these fake eggs because these stupid chickens
Pineapple. One.
always eat them.
They break.
These?
The fucking pack of them break them.
They're ceramic. They're hard.
That's broken.
But they're hard eggs.
Why? For $5?
Yeah.
Have a good one, man. Enjoy your holiday.
What did you want that for?
It's just a whistle.
For what?
So whenever you fall.
For what? Oh my god.
See, Daddy? How do you do that? Can we try it? Can we try it? I want to try it.
Oh my gosh.
Let me try it.
Okay, stop.
Let me try it. Which way?
You gotta blow on it.
Oh, I'm holding it backwards, right?
Blow on it like a whistle.
There you go. They said they wanted spaghetti.
No.
Yes.
What did you say?
I didn't want another sopa.
Mom, can you open this?
And look at who showed up. Randomly. Who dropped you off? Your mommy?
Actually, a fly dropped her off.
A fly. Don't be careful with those scissors. So spaghetti it is.
Huh?
No, I'm talking to myself.
Yo lo que ando metiendo les contesto cuando me hablan no. Y cuando me hablan a mí, I don't do it.
Well, that's okay.
Mommy, bubble gum. Bubble gum. Taste it.
Goodness gracious. Spaghetti is done. Well, I have to take my food over here because Bert wants me to watch this movie with him. We're gonna watch a movie together. Little date night with spaghetti.
It is fortunate that the consequences were not more severe.
Yes or what?
Hmm?
Yes?
What?
You wanna have a date night at home?
I lost my ship.
I guess.
So I think that about does it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, Vlogmas is coming to an end. Thank God. This is hard. And we will see you guys tomorrow for tomorrow's vlog.
It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you.